5 best standing desks for your work from home rig. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell notifications. It really helps the channel. There was once a time where your desk, if you even had one at all, was a dumping ground for mail and keys you would later spend hours looking for. But as more and more workplaces move online and more people demand flexible freelance schedules, the home office is making a comeback. The best part about working from home is you aren't forced to use whichever stuffy desk or back-breaking office chair your workplace provides you. You can now create the best possible workplace that's efficient, cool, and totally customized to what your needs and wants are. If you're working from home, you may also notice a big lifestyle change. Commuting to the office and walking around actually has a pretty big impact on your health. Sitting at your home desk all day will inevitably lead to a more sedentary lifestyle, if not properly taken care of. That's why we have compiled a list of the best standing desks you can buy from your work from home office. The new Heights Elegant XT Standing Desk. The new Heights desk line from K&A Manufacturing is one of the best the world has to offer. So while the Elegant XT comes at a premium price point, the specs might be worth it. This standing desk costs about $1,500 depending on where you buy it. But even at its cheapest, this is still one of the most expensive desks on the market, and for good reason. This sleek black desk can adjust to your height from 24 inches to 51 inches, an impressive accommodation for anyone over 6 feet tall most standing desk companies don't consider. All this happens with the push of a button that's slow enough so your monitor doesn't fall on its side mid-adjustment. Speaking of monitors, this desk can hold up to 325 pounds that doesn't hinder its ability to slowly move up or down using soft start and stop technology. And since it's likely just going to be you setting this up at home, don't worry. The Elegant XT is pretty easy to set up, and the only thing you need to connect are 2 supports to build the frame. The desk plank slides right on and connects all the electronics to their appropriate channels. It's got excellent stability considering the company uses recycled aluminium columns on either side of the desk to keep it upright. The scrap material is collected and constructed into a telescopic extrusion channel on either side of the desk. The Elegant XT features a single circuit board that's compact, tucked away, and extremely efficient considering its small footprint. Another reason you might want to forgive the price point. This desk comes with a 12-year warranty. These guys really believe their desk can last the test of time. The fully Jarvis bamboo standing desk. This might be the most popular standing desk that checks off all the boxes when it comes to aesthetic, function, and customizability while floating at a price point that's just a bit higher than your average standing desk. Most of the Fully's Jarvis line is around the $470 price mark. The bamboo option is the most popular as it fits a blonde wooden desk plank on top of 2 sturdy industrial legs that come in different colors. It can lift 350 pounds with ease and can quietly adjust to your desired height up to 50 inches using 2 up and down toggles and has an overall range of 26 inches. But what sets Jarvis apart from many other standing desks around its price point is its customizability, like built-in and removable electrical outlets, a sleek and low-profile desk drawer, and their popular Topo anti-fatigue standing mat. This is all wrapped up in a 7-year warranty in case something goes wrong with your Jarvis. The Ergotron WorkFit T Sit-Stand Desktop Workstation. This mouthful of a standing desk isn't really a standing desk at all. For the work-from-home folks who already researched and purchased their perfect desk, the Ergotron is a workspace on top of your existing desk that can turn your workstation into a standing one, but customers have raved about its reliability. It's one of the few workstations of its size and design that you can actually lean on. For one, it's around 35 inches wide and can fit 2 monitors pretty comfortably, with a space for your keyboard. The Ergotron standing desk placed their keyboard area 4.5 inches below where the monitors sit for what they call an ergonomic experience. It relies on a handbrake to adjust its height instead of a crank or a motor, saving on space and weight. The Ergotron comes fully assembled, folded up, and only needs to be set up and height adjusted according to your preferred height. If you plan on returning to the office, you can always take it to your car and give it a new home on your old desk. Winstead Stationery Impulse Paradigm Console. This impressive 90-inch wide standing desk was probably made for security desks, control rooms for TV stations, or communal office spaces. But a surprising number of people, including plenty of big production video editors, involved software engineers, and remote security workers, have called this their home office desk. It can hold 4 monitors, so you can edit footage in one, check your email in another, and mix your audio in a third. And, I don't know, stream a movie on the fourth? This heavy-duty desk will set you back nearly $3,000, but for anyone who is successfully growing their business out of their home, it might be the answer to keeping up with your clients. It has a function that allows you to move the desk, monitors and all, up and down seamlessly, though at its width, you might need a partner to help you out. It's got a slightly curved design to make items on the desk more accessible, and it's got an insanely meticulous cord management system, which makes having those 4 monitors all the more manageable. All that being said, it's not exactly the prettiest desk to look at due to its more office intention. The SDADI Adjustable Height Standing Desk. And lastly, this budget-friendly option is both minimalist and stylish for any small home office. The SDADI Adjustable Height Standing Desk is a no-frills adjustable desk with a swing-out footstool for around $80. The SDADI can lift from 21 to 45 inches. The workspace is small at only 23.6 inches wide and deep, but it can fit a sizable monitor in the back and a laptop in the front. The desk splits in half and both planks are fully adjustable to be used as a drafting table. The adjustable desk is small but mighty, and if you're planning on heading back to the office soon, it can have many other uses in your home.